Hello guys, today's question is fraction pairs with someone. The question says that given a list of n fractions represented as two lists, numerator and denominator, the task is to determine the count of pairs of fraction whose sum equals to 1. So the numerator and denominator is given of fraction, and we have to return if any such pair exists of a fraction which sum equals to 1. So what is the brute force to solve this question? What is the first method in comes our mind? Let us discuss. So in brute force approach, we traverse the numerator and denominator array and check if a fraction p1 upon q1 and p2 upon q2 sum equals to 1, then we simply count plus plus. So here we traverse the fractions. So p1 is the numerator of 1 and p2 is the numerator of 2, and q1 is the denominator of 1 and q2 is denominator of 2. So the fraction sum is p1 into q2 plus p2 into q1 upon q1 into q2. So this sum equals to 1 if numerator equals to denominator. So p1 into q2 plus p2 into q1 equals to q1 into q2, then simply count plus plus. But this solution, the time complexity of this solution is O of n square, and space complexity is O of 1. But this code gives you TLE because time complexity is very bigger, O of n square. So how we optimize this code? So now the optimized approach is using maps. So the optimized approach here given using maps. So how we optimize the code? Let us discuss. Let's take a map of pair of int comma int and int. We take a map of pair comma int. Okay, now we traverse the numerator and denominator and divide that numerator and denominator to GCD of that numerator and denominator. We simply simplify the fraction. If fraction is, let's suppose fraction is 2 by 4, then we simply calculate the GCD of numerator and denominator and divide the numerator and denominator to GCD. So the GCD of numerator and denominator is 2, so we divide the numerator by 2 equals to 1 and divide the denominator by 2 gives 2. So the simplified fraction is 1 by 2. And now we looking in the map if this fraction when become 1 when it is, if already in map is there exists 1 by 2. So we the finding in map, if there exists 1 by 2, then we simply increase the count. See, we simply increase the count of that number. So in map we looking for, here we looking for, this is a fraction, then we looking for denominator minus numerator and denominator. Why we looking for this? Because if let's suppose the fraction is 3 by 4, so when become this is fraction is become 1, when we add 1 by 4 in this, then become 1. So 1 by 4 means this is fraction given is denominator minus numerator 3 and denominator. so is 1 into 4. So if we're looking for 1 and 4, if so we calculating co-numerator, denominator minus numerator, this is 4 minus 3. So we're looking for and CNT plus map of co-numerator and denominator, we're looking for 1 4. If this present in the map, we simply increase the count, and now calculating this, and if they're present then we add, if not present and present then we simply increase the count of map numerator and denominator. Okay, so this is the simplified optimized approach. Now dry run this code on this example. Here numerator is given, numerator is 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 8, and denominator is given 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 12. So we initialize a count to 0 and creating a map int comma pair comma int. So here we write the map. Now in the first iteration I is here, we calculating the GCD of numerator and denominator. So the GCD of 1 comma 2 is become 1. So the new, and we calculating the new numerator and new denominator. So numerator is original numerator divided by GCD become 1, and denominator is new denominator is denominator divided by GCD, 2 divided by 1 gives 2. So now we calculating co-numerator is denominator minus numerator, 2 minus 1 becomes 1, and we looking for in map to increase the count of CNT, looking for a map of co-numerator is 1 and denominator is 2. We looking for 1 comma 2 in the map, but map is empty, so the count of remains same. Now the last step is we increase the map numerator and denominator count. So the map of 1 comma 2 increase the count becomes 1. So in the next iteration, we deleting this, and the next iteration I is going to here. So the GCD of 2 comma 4 becomes 2. So the new numerator is become numerator divided by GCD becomes 1, and denominator it becomes denominator divided by GCD becomes 4 divided by 2 becomes 2. Now we calculating the co-numerator is here, denominator minus numerator, here fraction is 1 by 2, so denominator minus numerator, 2 minus 1 gives 1. So the we going to the maps and check for if there is present 1 comma co-numerator and denominator 1 comma 2, then increase the count of. So 1 comma 2 is present is 1, so the count now becomes 1. So the count becomes 1, and the last step is map of numerator and denominator count plus. So the map of 1 comma 2 plus plus, so 1 comma 2 is become 1, so now is becomes 2. So in the next iteration, so perform the next iteration. So the next iteration I is going to here. So the GCD of 2 comma 6 becomes 2. So the new numerator is 2 divided by 2 becomes 1, and denominator new is becomes 6 divided by 2 becomes 3. So we calculating co-numerator is his fraction is 1 by 3, so co-numerator is 3 minus 1, because denominator minus numerator, which is 3 minus 2 becomes 2. So we looking for in map for count increase. If map there is present co-numerator 2 comma denominator 2 comma 3, but there is no present of 2 comma 3 in map, so the count remains 1 and unchanged, it is 1. And the last step is map of numerator denominator plus. So the map of numerator is 1, denominator is 3, 1 comma 3 numerate map of 1 comma 3 plus plus. So there is no present map of 3, so there is new entry began, and 1 comma 3 here is 1. So for the next iteration, in next iteration I is becoming here. So the GCD of 8 comma 12 become 4, and the new numerator is 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and denominator is 12 divided by 4, which is 3. So co-numerator is become here fraction is 2 by 3, so co-numerator is denominator minus numerator, 3 minus 2 becomes 1. And we looking for in map for count increase. If there is present co-numerator is 1 comma denominator is 3, there is present 1 comma 3, so here is present 1 comma 3, which is count 1, so we increase the count. So now count increase plus 1 becomes 2. And फिर the last step is map of numerator denominator. Map of numerator is 2 and denominator is 3, so 2 comma 3 count increase. So here is no present 2 comma 3, so this become no entry, 2 comma 3 becomes 1. In next iteration I is going to equals to n, and so we becomes outside this for loop. So after this we return the count, which is 2, so we return the count 2, so which is the correct answer for this test case, which output is 2. So now submit this code and run. So the code of this solution is here. So now compile and the code and run. So the compiling the code, after compiling output is same. So now submit the code, submitting the code. So all test case pass. So this is how we solve this question of fraction pairs with someone. So I hope you guys clearly understand topic behind this. Thank you guys.